So we're at the Lydiate Classic Car Show. It was sort of a last minute thing to turn up here. I'm just going to give you a quick insight on what's going on here. And I'm going to go and have a look around myself. I was actually looking at one of these on the internet last week, I think it was. It was going for buttons because it needed a new engine. Unfortunately, here on Driven Limited, we haven't got the money to do things like that. We have to save up first. I know it's hard to believe, I don't have to say it. Little bomb bug. Very strange things these are.
Wow, look at that one. Yeah, put white wheels on spin up. Real as these, right? Has it been altered?
As this guy has just pointed out, these are usually three-wheelers. Great big lump of Americana. Never really been into American cars, but there are people out there that are. Absolutely been slammed, that. Can't see the reflections, but you gotta like a Mustang GT. Look at that. Seems not done.
It's got a new roof on it, new quarters, new doors, inner and outer cells in the front and stuff. Because it's 57.
I do like a Mustang, but I've always preferred the GTO. Camaro. Yeah, that's the one. So they're very similar cars, the Mustang and the Camaro, but I've always preferred the Camaro. Lovely little Riley. No sunroof. As I say, there's a lot to go around and I can't really video the lot because my phone's running low because I'm an idiot and didn't delete it. Rover 100. Is it? Yeah. Rover 100.
We're going to go round and round, sweetie. What are you looking for? Yeah, TR4.
These cars here are friends, belong to friends of my nan and granddad. This one here I've actually sat in. This guy. They buy classic cars, fix them up, they do their own work on the engines, they clean up their own interiors, they redo the leather on themselves at home. They're very, very good at what they do. And this one's theirs as well. TR5. I'm not sure, but I think I can hear our Leo barking somewhere. Yes, you can see. Oh yeah, I can see him. Little menace. I honestly don't think I'm going to be able to cover the whole lot today, just for the fact that I'm really low on memory. Over 3,500.
One day I had
There's a lot of Rovers here today. Okay, Carl, I think it is. Or some Citroen looking thing. There's a certain other guy on the internet that is very, very into his Citroens, but I'm not going to name him because when I started off, I asked him if he'd give my channel a bit of a mention because he's grown quite a lot and he literally refused. Maybe I'll mention who he is, but maybe I won't. Oh, that VW camper's nice. The Splitty was the best, but that's nice that. Become extremely expensive now as well. This Jag's nice as well. Mark II, I think it is. Minus the red interior. Nice. Corrado, is it? I'm guessing it's a Corrado. I've always thought the Corrado and the Scirocco were quite similar. And then we've got a Camaro next to it.
They look like me. It's a 6-hour job.
No, it's not. It's a Trans Am. Ignore that. Pontiac Trans Am. With a huge bonnet. Nice TBR. Always forget the names of TVRs. I'm sure TVR no longer exist. It's another Golf that's shot up in price recently. Especially the Mark IV. Mark IV's gone from being about £3 you can now get them for about 20. I remember my dad had one of these shape transits, but the smaller version. long time ago. Used to go to see me nan when she lived in the cottage. Memories. A couple of old moggies. My granddad had one of these, I think. Definitely had a Morris Minor. And was it a Traveller, I think? I don't know. I'll just give the Ferrari F40, is it? Oh, my knowledge of cars has gone awful. Considering I've got my own channel. Bainway. And the same guy on that channel on YouTube I was saying about before that I'm not going to give a mention. Again, he'd be loving this. Because he's absolutely obsessed with Citroen. The old Cadillac. I think I've got 2 more rows to go down and then I'm going to have a look myself. Very odd looking Chrysler. I've never known these exist. I've only ever heard of a bombed bug. Learn some things every day. Oh, VW Splitty over there. Alpha. Triumph Stag. Always like them. Porsche 911. Austin 7. Another car that's actually started to shoot up in price. There's old Jag. Oh, just nearly broke my ankle on a pothole in the middle of the field. Nice. Oh, look at this. Old car here. Looks like it's being started on its restoration. What is it? GBGT Corvette. These have grown on me over the last few years. Another great big bonnet or hood. There's Leo again being naughty, barking at all the other dogs. Now, is this a Mark V? If so, my dad had one of these. I think it is a Mark V. Yeah. I'll take a picture and I'll find out. It's either a Mark IV or a Mark V. Definitely a Cortina. My dad had one of these in maroon, I think it was. Oh, look at this. Many people don't like Beetles because they say it's the love child of Hitler, but he's been gone many a year now, and that doesn't mean that you can, you know, it's still a part of history, isn't it? And it's, you know, the creation of Ferdinand Porsche. I tell you what, I'd take one of these over a Citroen 2CV without even thinking about it. Look at that big lump of Americana there. Oldsmobile. Ford Granada. Parked alongside. Big lump of an absolute stunning Bentley. I'm going to say that's 1930s, 1940s, possibly 50s actually. Right, we're on the back row. Let's see if I can get my memory to last. MGTC. Zephyr. And another one. Oh, look at this. Wow, look at this. They used to be thrown in the little containers for the drop zone for Paris in the war. And they literally used to fold down and fold back up again, and you'd have it running supposedly within, I think it was a minute, they said, on combateers. And it literally fold down to a suitcase size. Brilliant little bit of British engineering. Top speed of about 20 to 30 miles per hour they have. And we've got the original release Jeep. These were designed again for the war, and they mass produced them. I think, going off the combat deal, is they produced something like 600,000 of them, something silly like that. And the Germans, I'm not 100% sure on it, but the Germans had the, oh god, I can't even remember what it's called now, Kübelwagen, and they only managed about 12,000. Yeah. Great big. Looks like a 50 cal on the top. Wouldn't actually surprise me if these have been supplied by combat dealers as well.
So he was sent back to get more ammo, and by the time he came back, his position had been overrun, all his mates had been killed and captured.
That guy there telling a few war stories, but not sure if you can hear because of the wind. It's got these last few vehicles. I haven't really covered the footage of the field and what's going on very well because, again, I've been panicking about losing my memory. Hello, Mark One Golf. I always prefer these in black with the red grille on the GTI. Oh, look at that splitty. lovely. Again, Mark 1 GTI. This one's actually quite nice. Never seen them in that colour before. Is this one next to it what I think it is? And a patrol vehicle from the US. Is no longer in use because they've now started using Dodge Challengers and Chargers, I think. So all of these and the Fords have now been taken out of service. Weirdly, that looks a bit like an Everton badge. Actually looks a bit like me driven limited badge as well. Yeah, big lump of Americana. Over there's a calf and like a little court selling things.
You can have an ice cream when you get
Well,
Yeah, you are.
it is quite a big place. Right, I'm gonna go and find Rose, my nan and granddad and our Leo, and then I'm gonna have a proper look around while I can. Again, I apologise for the crap footage. My plan was to stop and, you know, pick a few cars out, get their owners to tell you the story behind the vehicle, whether it's a restoration, has it been in the family for years. So we kind of got here about 3 hours later than what we planned. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe and spread the word. Hopefully we can grow the channel to something that's worth watching. Alright. Just had to stop and have a look at this MG midget. Leo, come on lad, this way. Look at that, what a thing.